क्लास 9th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश द नेकलेस पार्ट 2 वर्कशॉप आपण बघणार आहोत. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला हा इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आहे, स्पॉट अँड सर्कल द एरर इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस देन रिराईट द सेंटेन्सेस आफ्टर करेक्टिंग देम. आपल्याला चुकीच्या शब्दाला सर्कल करून ते आपल्याला सुधारून इथे उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. तर आपण पहिला प्रश्न ए घेतलेला आहे, बट दे कुड नॉट फाउंड इट. आता जे चुकीचा प्रश्न त्याला आपण ब्लॅक अक्षराने इथे लिहून घेतलेला आहे, हे लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे. आन्सर, बट दे कुड नॉट फाइंड इट. बी, यू मस्ट राईट टू युअर फ्रेंड. आन्सर, यू मस्ट राईट टू युअर फ्रेंड. सी, ॲट द एंड ऑफ 1 week they have lose all hope. Answer, at the end of 1 week they have lost all hope. Then question number C, he would borrowed the rest. Answer, he would borrow the rest. Question number E, you should have returned it sooner. Answer, you should have returned it sooner. Question number A, and this life lasted for 10 years. Answer, and this life lasted 10 years. Question number G, no, I am Mathilde Loisel. Answer, no, I am Mathilde Loisel. Question number H, Madame Forestier were stunned. Answer, Madame Forestier was stunned. Then question number 2, complete the following table. तर आपल्याला हा टेबल पूर्ण करून घ्यायचा आहे. नो अटरन्स, हू सेड टू whom and when. A, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Mathilde, to whom? To her husband. When he asked her if she had it when she left the hall. B, utterance, it will give us time to look some more. Who said to Mr. Loisel? To whom? To Mathilde. When he told Mathilde to write to her husband. Question C, I might have needed it. Who said it? Madame Forester. To whom? Madame Loisel. When Madame Loisel took the necklace back. Then next, D, you must have made a mistake. Who said it? Madame Forester. To whom? Mathilde. When Mathilde addressed her so familiarly. Question number E, utterance, well, I lost it. Who said it? Mathilde. To whom? Madame Forestier. When Mathilde reminded her about the necklace. Question number A, Minnie was an invitation. Who said it? Madame Forestier. To whom? Mathilde. When Forestier told Mathilde its real cost. Then question number 3, write what you think about the following thoughts and action of Mathilde. तुमचा नेमक्या विषयी काय विचार आहे आणि काय कृती व्हायला पाहिजे त्याचा आपल्याला आन्सर लिहून घ्यायचे आहे. तर ए आहे, Mathilde was shocked and despaired over the loss of her necklace. Answer, because she knew that necklace was of a diamond and she could not afford to buy new to return Madame Forestier. Question number B, Mathilde wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. Answer, they expected to find necklace someday. For that they needed some more time and Mathilde was compelled to write the false letter to her friend. Question number C, Mathilde and her husband decided to replace the necklace. Answer, because they thought that the necklace was costly and they had to return it. Question number D, Mathilde returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Answer, I think it was her moral responsibility to return to borrow diamond necklace immediately after the party day, but she delayed. Question number E, Mathilde did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. Answer: it was another big mistake she committed. It was her thoughtless action. Question number 8. Mathilde worked very hard to pay the debt. Answer: she had changed her attitude towards her lifestyle. She worked hard and saved money for repaying the debt. Then question number G. Mathilde and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. Answer: both of them worked very hard for 10 long years to save money for repaying the debt. They curtailed their needs severely. Question number 8. Mathilde told her friend about the lost necklace. Answer: thought it was her fault. She must have thought that she should tell the truth to her friend and tell her how she struggled for 10 long years. Then question number 4. Form pairs. Discuss how part second of the story could have been different. Write your storyline in the from the bullets showing the main events. Answer: the cabman who dropped them at their door found the necklace after 2 days while cleaning his cab. Behind the space of the seats, fallen from the gaps of the seats. Remembered the lady wearing the necklace was an honest and God-fearing man went to their house. Handed over the necklace to them, it could have changed the whole story. Question number 5. Imagine what must have happened after Mathilde's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think she would return it to Mathilde? Would that make Mathilde happy? Answer: Mathilde's friend was rich but a kind-hearted and generous woman. She knew that Mathilde had to face many miserias for 10 years. I think she would return the necklace to Mathilde. Mathilde would be happy to find some relief after sufferings. Then question number 6. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5-6 lines. Question A, B and C. Question A. What would you do if something like this happens to you? Answer: if something like this happens to me, I would tell my friend I would buy new one and give her. Question B. What opinion do you form about Mathilde's husband from her story? Answer: Mathilde's husband was a true, kind and supportive person. He was a very nice human being. Question C. Which events in the story part 1st and 2nd changed Mathilde's life? Answer: the invitation of the party, borrowing the necklace and the losing the necklace changed Mathilde's life. अशा प्रकारे आपण द नेकलेस पार्ट 2 वर्कशॉप आपण पूर्ण करून घेतलेला आहे. हा व्हिडिओ जर आपल्याला आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा व चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.